So you want to learn how to use plugins to get the most out of ChatGPT? This quick tutorial will show you how to sign up for ChatGPT, turn plugins on, and actually use them step by step in only a few minutes. The first step to using ChatGPT plugins is to sign up for the paid version of ChatGPT called ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 per month at the time of this video. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, you'll still be able to use the chatbot for writing, but you won't have access to plugins, the AI art tool DALL-E, or web browsing. Once you create or sign into your OpenAI account, click on the Upgrade to Plus button, go to Upgrade Plan, and then complete your purchase. And by the way, thanks for checking out the AI Marketing and Creator Tools channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Now let's turn these plugins on. Even after signing up for ChatGPT Plus, plugins are off by default, so you'll need to activate them. Just click your profile in the bottom left and go to your settings, then click Beta Features and turn on plugins. To see if this worked, go to ChatGPT 4, click Plugins, and then choose Plugin Store, which is where things really get fun. By the way, feel free to comment below with any questions you have about getting started. Alright, now that we're in the plugin store, you can see here that there are dozens of pages, and there's just over 1,000 plugins at the time of this video. We've sifted through this huge library to find our favorites that are actually useful for marketing and business, which we covered in these videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Once you choose the ones you want, just install them, and now they're saved in the Installed tab. For this tutorial, I'm going to download Canva and Zapier. We made a video covering how to use both of them, linked in the description. So to use them, just open a new chat and then open the menu to find the ones you want. You can actually use up to 3 at a time. You can even ask ChatGPT to explain how to use the plugin you turned on. I'm using Canva, so I gave it the prompt to create a YouTube banner. I chose the one I liked the most, double-clicked it, and ChatGPT opened the Canva website so I could edit it. Super easy. Then I went over to the Zapier plugin and asked it to create a shortcut which is called a Zap. I wanted to message my coworkers on my Slack channel whenever I post on LinkedIn, and for it to include the link to the post in the message. Zapier is one of my favorite tools in the plugin store because it's so handy for automating workflows. And did you know that you can work even smarter by tailoring ChatGPT to you? Check out our video about how to customize it, and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to stay updated on the best AI tools. Comment below if you have any questions about specific plugins, and we might even make a video tutorial on it. Thanks for watching, see you next time.